Now moving on to the case for Seabridge and an update on the company. I feel a lot of reasons why I can point to why owning Seabridge makes sense, especially in the type of environment we believe we're heading into in terms of big inflation coming and perhaps yield curve controls being put in place. One of it is just the amount of gold that we have per share. And it's not only gold per share, but also copper per share. Another one is we own 100% of the world's largest undeveloped gold copper project. There's a big need right now for the major companies to find new projects. The gold industry is running out of reserves. The copper industry needs new production to satisfy increasing demand that's coming from green energy initiatives. And we're sitting with the largest one on the planet in a safe jurisdiction that is permitted. And then last but not least has been our ability to find gold over the past 15, 20 years. In fact, our exploration team has found more gold than any other company on the planet, and that includes the majors. As the market got hit 2015, 16, and 17, we took advantage of that and went out and reloaded our portfolio and have acquired now 3 new earlier stage exploration projects that we're about to conduct exploration activities on this year. This is a slide that I think tells our story best. Jim and I formed the company in October of 1999, taking over a shell. Gold was trading at about $260 an ounce at the time. And our goal was to create the best leverage play to a rising gold price that we saw in front of us. And we did that through the concept of growing ounces in the ground faster than shares outstanding. Our belief is that the more ounces we can provide on a per share basis, the more leverage and optionality our shareholders should have to the price of gold. And as you can see on this chart here, we have been successful on that front. In fact, if you look at Seabridge relative to the industry, whether you look at it in terms of proven and probable gold reserves or measured, indicated, and inferred gold resources, nobody comes close to us in terms of gold ownership per share. So what this has translated into, as we expected and hoped for over the long run, is significant outperformance in our share price relative to the gold price and other gold equities. Over the long run, our share price is up over 8,000% compared to an increase in the gold price of about 500%. If we're right and the gold price is about to go significantly higher, we have a 22-year track record of showing significant outperformance in a rising gold market environment. And if gold is going higher, so should our shares.